And so we will be starting by remembering this god only. Now, anybody who knows any short story or any you can say life incident of Hanuman ji, who was he और वो क्या करा था, क्या बड़े काम किए थे, anything which you can share. किसी को पता है?
No.
Nobody knows about Hanuman ji.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I know some stories.
Okay. Satya, can you share something with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
He had two brothers. They were enemy of each other, and he was very good fan of Lord Rama, and he wanted to become like Lord Rama.
Okay. Now, do you know what were the qualities of Hanuman ji?
Ma'am, I don't know. He had taken.
मैं आपको एक बात बताती हूँ. I think when you all have a fear of something, कभी कोई भूत से डर जाता है, कभी कोई ये, कभी कोई वो, तो आपके पेरेंट्स और आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हनुमान चालीसा बोलने का बोलते हैं, you know?
Yes,
डर लगे
ma'am.
तो हनुमान जी का नाम लो.
Ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, every day हो जाए ना तो हमें वो बोलना चाहिए.
क्यों बोलना चाहिए? Why is हनुमान जी नेम कंसिडर्ड कि अगर आपको डर
मैम जब हमें डर लगता है तो हनुमान जी का नाम लेके है ना हमें जाना चाहिए तो उससे भूत भाग जाता है. हनुमान जी और हमारे डर भी मार देते हैं.
Yes. So he is one of the strongest and courageous. Okay. Hanuman ji is one of the strongest and courageous God. He is very courageous. Courageous माने इतने नीडर है कि उनको किसी चीज का डर ही नहीं लगता. He is very courageous. उनको सब चीज में जहाँ पे उनको हिम्मत दिखाने की जरूरत है वो उनके पास हिम्मत है और वो ताकतवर भी इतने थे कि सब everyone was. अक्षर, we are not doing anything बेटा, we are talking about हनुमान जी. टुडे इज हनुमान जयंती. अक्षर के घर पे लड्डू बने हैं?
मैम मेरे घर पे बने हैं.
हाँ, टुडे इज हिज बर्थडे एंड जनरली या तो मीठी बूंदी आती है, पता है बूंदी? इफ यू नो बूंदी. और या तो फिर लड्डू, राइट? आज इंस्टेड ऑफ सेम. हाँ,
मैंने बनाए एक लड्डू.
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड. I'll sure come to your place to eat laddu. If you cook, will make for me also. Right? So today let us start our session with a courageous, what you can say. You all have to repeat after me. Mahabali Hanuman ji ki jai. Mahabali Hanuman ji ki jai. Come on, 3 times. जोर से, loudly. Loudly with a powerful. जितने हनुमान जी में जितना पावर है उतनी हमारी आवाज में होना चाहिए. महाबली हनुमान जी की जय. महाबली हनुमान जी की जय. जय श्री राम. जय जय श्री राम. जय श्री राम. Very good, very good. Now coming to our class, what did we do? Last हमने क्या किया था? Who will tell me? Daisy, the last
मैम मेरा क्लास है ना इंग्लिश का मिस हो गया है। मैम वर्ड मीनिंग
That was homework. Word meanings were homework. I started the explanation
हाँ मैम
of
आपने वो वर्ड मीनिंग दिए थे ना वो लिए।
Okay, now nobody would unmute yourself and अपने screens भी off कर दो, cameras off कर दो, so that I'll be visible to everyone. Nobody would unmute themselves without my permission now. Okay? चलो, good. Now, yes, जैसे आपने बोला, मिष्टी ने बोला, we did, the homework was to write the word meanings, right? And I started explaining the chapter. We will continuing explain, today I'll be completing the explanation of the chapter and then we will do some textual exercise. Clear? For that, you need to open English textbook, page number 12. Page number 12. Now, अब तक हमने क्या देखा? We saw that there is a boy named Shui. What is the name of the boy? Shui. Right? And that boy...
मैम
Yes, Nancy?
मैम शुई को है ना बहुत सारे फ्लावर पसंद थे ना, तो उसमें बहुत मेहनत की ना, फिर भी फ्लावर नहीं ग्रो हुआ ना, तो सैड हो गई। बाद में किंग के पास गया ना, तो किंग ने बोला कि बहुत तो फ्रिजी बॉय थी।
Okay. So this is the story of Shui, right? जो राजा है उन्होंने सबको seeds दिए थे, as we all know, and everybody started growing it. Even Shui tried, but बावजूद उसके कि उसने बहुत सारा try किया, there nothing sprouted in the pot. Now he went to many gardeners, he went to his grandfather. He told that अब मैं क्या करूं? अब मैं क्या करूं? There is some song like that, right? मैं इतनी ब्यूटीफुल मैं क्या करूं? Something like that. ऐसा कुछ है?
मैम ऐसा नहीं, मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ क्या?
Okay. So this boy Shui went to his grandpa and he told that अब मैं क्या करूं? So grandpa told that कुछ नहीं, आपने मेहनत किया है, you have tried your best, so leave everything on destiny and go with this empty pot to the king. Now let us see what happens in the story. Page number 12. I want Pari Makasna to read. Pari. Pari, please unmute yourselves.
मैम मैं इसके बाद रीड करूँ?
I'll give chance to everyone, बच्चा. Okay, Pari is having some issues. चलो, अब कौन बोला था मैं इसके बाद रीड करूं? Who spoke that?
ध्यानी मैम.
चलो, ध्यानी, please read page number 12.
Okay. When he
Arrived,
a sea of children stood before him. Each child was holding a pot with pleasant flowers planted in it. Sweet and never seen a sight of beautiful some of his sadness. Okay, left him as he inhaled the fragrances of the blooms. The earthquake.
Right? Okay, stop, Bicha.
Okay.
So when he arrived, I'll give chance to everyone. So when he arrived at the king's palace, there were many children, right? And they all were standing with these beautiful flowers in their hands, except Shui, right?
Okay.
Chalo, next I want Shlok. We already know this story, right? I explained you this story. Shlok?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Start reading the second paragraph.
The objects were delicate and
Elegant.
The lilies were fragrant and full.
Fragrant.
The roses bursting with color. Their owners held them proudly. Look at my, they called excitedly, holding their plants high as the emperor walked through the children. He knocked pleasantly and he passed by, noting all flowers in every shade of the rainbow.
Very good. Thank you. Right now, there is a description that everyone was having different flowers. So everyone was proud of himself. You know, सब बच्चे के पास एक pot था. Look at my. They were telling to the emperor. So what emperor did? Emperor ने nodded nicely and he went. जैसे आप क्लास में बैठे और नेहा मैम कैसे आपके बेंचेस के बीच में ऐसे ऐसे करके आपको देख के जाते हैं ना. सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड में आप थे तब. Dishita ma'am was there and Neha ma'am was there, right? So when you are writing and जब मैम में से ऐसे देख के जाते हैं, in the same way, this emperor also nodded pleasantly and passed all the kids. Chalo, next, Tanna. Can you read, please? Mishti.
He frowned when he saw Shui's pot. You watering an empty pot, he exclaimed. Shui hung his head. He said, I am sorry, Emperor. I cared for my seed, but as you see, I was not able to grow a flower for you. The
Right?
Emperor,
So, yes, please continue. Continue to the next paragraph.
The Emperor's face lit up with a smile right here and then flowers all around him. You are my successor. The Emperor said, thanking Shui hand in his
Right?
work.
Right? Out of this many children, thank you, Misty. Out of this many children, only Shui was there, which was having no flower in his pot. And soon, when the emperor reached to Shui's place, he smiled at him and he declared that you will be the next emperor. Right?
Ma'am, I can read now.
Yes. Please read.
The Emperor smiled and said, there is only one among you who is honest.
Honest enough
to be the emperor. The seeds that I gave were cooked so they could never grow. These wonderful plants you all have shown me did not come from the seed that I declared.
Distributed. Right? The emperor smiled when Shui asked that I am the only one जिसने flower grow ही नहीं किया. So the emperor said that you are honest because the seeds which I gave all of you were boiled seeds. That reason boiled seeds कभी grow नहीं होंगे. Right? So Shui was the only one who was honest, who spoke truth. And that is why he was selected as the next emperor. Now the other children looked ashamed.
Ma'am, I can read.
Wait. Now the other children looked ashamed because they had not been honest. Shui not only took good care of the seed, but also was honest enough to show his empty pot to the emperor. And so it was an honest boy with the empty pot who became successor to emperor. This is the story. The moral of the story says that you should always speak truth. You should be honest with yourself. Clear? Chale. This is a Chinese folk tale. Mane, it's a story from China that we already know. Clear? Chale. Now today we will complete. Khatam ho gaya bachcha.
मैम आपने वो वीडियो
Everyone with your mic. क्या बच्चा?
आपने बोला था ना हमें प्लांट ग्रो करना है, तो आपने वो वीडियो.
Yeah, I know. But then I thought that after completing this chapter we will do that. That is why I didn't send the link. Right? Chalo. Okay. Now any doubts in the chapter? Chapter समझ में आया अच्छे से? Everyone?
मैम. Yes. मैम मैंने तो ग्रो भी करने लगा है मेरा तो.
आपका ग्रो करने लगा है? Very nice. चलो. Now anyone is having any doubts?
मैम.
Chalo. Type in the chat box. If you are having any doubts, please tell me. If you are not having doubt, put a cross in the chat box. The chapter is clear. Story समझ में आ गई. Shui and the empty pot. Those who understand the story, put a cross. Yes, very good. No doubts. Okay, put a cross if you are not having any doubts. Put a cross. Yes, good. Chalo. Then today we will complete. Ma'am, what is the meaning of fragrance? Fragrant is smell. प्यारी सी खुशबू आती है ना वो. Kashyap plant has grown. Okay. Share me your pictures, right? Yes, Adya, I'll unmute you. Wait. Adya, you are having a doubt? I'll unmute you. Nisarg is not having any doubt. Very good. Akshar, any doubt, bacha? Do you read the chapter? Do you understand the chapter? Yes, Adya?
मैम इसमें जो ये सब प्लांट ग्रो किए थे वो सुई नहीं किए थे ना.
कहाँ पे?
ये सब चैप्टर में जो प्लांट आए.
Yes. Shui was fond of growing flowers. So he had a garden of his own. Right? और लास्ट स्टोरी के जो लास्ट पार्ट में जहाँ पे बात हो रही है that everyone was standing with their flowers, वो सारे फ्लावर्स बच्चों ने दूसरे बच्चों ने ग्रो किए थे. बाकी शुई का गार्डन तो ऑलरेडी हमने आगे देख लिया है स्टोरी. राइट? So this all flowers were grown by Shui. Chalo. Now everyone take your pencil. Come to page number 14. Chalo, I need to make arrangement for camera. Chalo, come on. Page number 14. Write today's date. There is vocabulary. Vocabulary means word association hai usme. So there you can see there are words given, right? And there is a column down there. The column is, one is of gardening, one is of emotion, one is of moral values, जो अच्छी आदतें हमारे में होनी चाहिए वो, and next is kingdom. आपको क्या करना है? You have to select these boxes, select the words from the yellow box, and you have to write in the particular column. Chalo, start doing by yourself. Yes, page number 14. Page number 14, write today's date. I'm just showing you the picture. Wait.
Your screen is not coming.
Yeah, bacha, I'm just adjusting the screen. How would it come? Chalo. Now, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
मिष्टी बच्चा आपका कैमरा ऑफ कर दो.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am,
now, wait. Everything would become clear. Wait. Now I want Prachi. Prachi, can you please Prachi, can you please read the options in the yellow box, the words that are in yellow box?
Yes, ma'am. Soil,
Please.
trees, sunlight, excited, patient,
Patience,
patience, emperor, so, honesty, cage, palace. And what is this?
sincerity,
Sincerity, disheartened,
Thank you. Now, that is there is a one purple box, gardening, जिसमें लिखा हुआ है. Now, there आपको वो सारे words लिखने हैं from the box which is related to gardening. Can you tell me any word? Prachi, can you tell me anything which is related to gardening?
soil,
Soil, yes. So first आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे soil. Then Adya, can you tell me some other thing? Yes, Mishti has written sunlight. So sunlight also comes in gardening. And just below soil, that is SOW, sow. So माने plant को grow करना. That is also जो बीज बोते हैं ना, that is known as sow. So that is also related to gardening. So you write sunlight, soil and sow in the gardening portion. Is my screen visible now, everyone? Very good. Chalo, now I want... Okay, Kashvi. Thank you, Bacha, for the reply. I want Swarit. Swarit?
yes, ma'am.
In the light green box, which is on the left side, there
Yes,
is...
ma'am.
The box is having kingdom. अब आप मुझे बताइए कि येलो बॉक्स में से कौन कौन से वर्ड किंगडम से रिलेट करते हैं.
Prince,
Prince, yes, very good. So one is prince, then second one
emperor,
emperor. Yes, emperor means the king, right? And third one find it from the yellow box. Okay, I'll tell you. Third one is palace. PALACE, palace.
yes, ma'am.
So in this box, in green box, you will write prince, emperor and palace. Chalo, now Tathya, can you tell me 3 emotions that you can see? Just a second, I'll unmute you. Tathya, can you hear me now, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me 3 emotions? Emotions mean feelings.
Yes, ma'am. Disheartened, cared, and excited.
Yes, disheartened, care and excited. Thank you, Tathya. Last one, can I request Prachi? Prachi, can you unmute yourself, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Chal. Give three moral values which is there in the yellow box.
Honesty.
Then
पेशेंस का मतलब
पेशेंस माने धीरज रखना, किसी चीज के लिए हाँ, so patience is a moral value. And third one?
I don't know.
Third one, the last word which is remaining from the box is sincerity. 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 Sincerity means कोई भी काम को properly करना. Right? Suppose if you are studying right now, so you should be having all your heart and brain in the studies. फिर आप मोबाइल देखने बैठ जाओ और गेम खेलने बैठ जाओ, that is wrong. Right? चलिए, so everyone check your answers. In the box of gardening, there is sunlight, soil and sow. In the box of kingdom, there is prince, emperor and palace. In the box of emotion, there is disheartened, care and excited. And in the box of moral values, there is honesty, sincerity and patience. Right? Very good. Chalo, those who have completed, put a tick in the chat box. Those who have completed, put a tick in the chat box. Those who have written, put a tick. Yes, Jia has put the tick. Very good. Kashyap also. Anil, put a tick. Khushi also done. Very good. Tathya done. Diya done. Very good. Chalo. Those who have completed, come to the next page. Page number 15, exercise 1. Now, before starting the chapter, I made you explain what is concrete noun and what are abstract noun, right? Here we are going to have exercise of concrete and abstract noun. A concrete noun is the name of a thing, person, place or animal that can be observed through one or more for five sense. माने जिसे हम छू नहीं सकते हैं, sorry, छू सकते हैं. They are all concrete nouns, right? An abstract noun is a word which could be an action, event, idea or a state of mind or quality. Means you can only think, you cannot touch. This we have already learned, right or wrong? चलो, come to this exercise. मुझे है ना ये unmute किया हुआ conference अच्छा ही नहीं लगता. Taking my permission. Everyone, mute yourself.
Okay.
Now, जिसे मैं chance दूंगी, आप पहले मुझे, if at all you want to reply, you have to type it in the chat box, and then I'll give you the time to speak, and then only you will speak, right? मुझे एक mute conference करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. I like my children talking in my class. Clear? चलिए. So now question number 1. Complete the following sentences with suitable abstract nouns. You can use the word box from the for help. Now there is an orange box which is having options. I want Kashyap to read the options. Kashyap, can you read the options, bacha?
Okay, ma'am. First one is wisdom, disappointment. Ma'am, what is that one?
Devotion.
Devotion, plan, childhood.
Right. Now then see, read the first sentence along with the answer. अच्छा, मैं अपनी स्क्रीन बंद कर दी हूँ. I want you guys to speak. चलो, Nancy, read the first sentence along with the answer.
Okay, ma'am. The empire decide on
Clever dash
to
find
the
successor.
successor.
Right? Now, the emperor devised a clever dash to find his successor. राजा ने क्या सोचा? A clever
Plan.
Yes. So answer is Plan. Plan. Very good.
Plan.
Thank you, Nancy.
Ma'am, second one I can speak.
No, if you'll speak this way, I'll not give you chance. Rahil, can you hear me? Is Rahil there?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो बच्चा, अपना कैमरा ऑन करो, माइक्रोफोन ऑन करो, and read the second question with the answer.
Okay. The grandfather could see Sue's dash on his face. Disappointment.
Yes, disappointment. Thank you, Rahil. That was very quick. The second option is disappointment. Chalo, third one I want Dishita.
Hello, ma'am.
Chalo, switch on your video and go for the third one.
मैम मेरे में वीडियो नहीं हो रहा है, ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रहा है.
ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है? नो इश्यूज. तो आप काम करो, आप एक बार लीव हो जाओ. ओके, नो इश्यूज. अभी राइट नाउ यू कैन स्पीक द आंसर, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Suchi's grandfather showed dash and
Sui's grandfather.
Sui's grandfather showed dash and
Consoled Sui.
consoled Suchi.
सूची नहीं है बच्चा, वो सुई है.
Sui. Answer is childhood.
No. Shui's grandfather showed dash. उन्होंने अक्लमंदी दिखाई. Nobody will speak the answer in the middle. Mishti.
Wisdom, ma'am.
Yes, wisdom. The answer of third one is wisdom. Okay, thank you, Bicha. Next, Prayag.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, fourth one.
Suspend.
Spend his dash in China. What did they spend? अच्छा, इसमें पहले आप सारे I think childhood, yes, always have a habit that जब भी आप हेल्प बॉक्स में से कुछ लिख रहे हो, जो आंसर्स आप लिख दे रहे हो उसको टिक कर दो, तो आपको पता चले that which words are remaining, right? So what was the answer, Prayag? What was the answer? Childhood, yes, correct. Thank you. चलो, last one, Sia. मिशी, आपका कैमरा ऑफ करो. यस. सिया कोरवाड़िया.
Yes, ma'am. Shuri candid the seed with devotion.
Devotion. Shui tended the seed with devotion, right? Correct answer. Very good.
Okay,
correct answer. Chalo, now check your answers. Is the answer visible? First one is plan. Second, disappointment. Mishti, please switch off your camera, bacha. Third one, wisdom. Fourth one, childhood. And last one is devotion. Right? Chali. Next exercise. Circle the concrete nouns and underline the abstract noun. ऐसे noun को जिसको आप touch कर सकते हो, you have to circle and nouns which you cannot touch, only feel, you have to underline. Chalo, first one, he was given an award for his courage. So I have circle award and I have underlined courage. Courage माने हम अभी बात कर रहे थे हनुमान जी की, right? Courageous है, needer है. So courage is the power and award you can hold it in your hand. So award में circle करेंगे, right? Second one, Seema thinks that happiness is most important in life. Happiness. Can you touch happiness? No. That is why it is circle. Sorry, underline. Chalo, itna hua. Come to the next page. Shui, page number 16. Shui was declared the next emperor for his honesty. Can you touch his honesty? No. That is why honesty is the abstract noun, which is underlined. Next, fourth one. The art teacher uploaded his creativity.
Yes. Ma'am, creativity में underline.
Yes, creativity you have to underline. Next, my mother believes in justice above all.
Justice.
Justice you have to underline. Yes. Now, Khushi, can you give me the answer of the last one? India got freedom in the year 1947. Khushi, can you give me the answer?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What would be the answer? Freedom. Yes, freedom is the abstract noun because you cannot touch freedom. Clear? Chaliye, come to question number 3. अब साथ साथ में कर रहे हो everyone, because you have to share me the picture of your work today. I hope everyone is doing. चलो,
Yes,
question number 3. In the following,
आपकी स्क्रीन ब्लर आ रही है.
अच्छा, तो थोड़ी सी भी प्रॉपर नहीं आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am. हाँ, मैम. मैम थोड़ी थोड़ी आ रही है. मैम समझ में नहीं आती कौन से वर्ड है. मैम थोड़ी थोड़ी आ रही है तो.
बच्चा, I am speaking along with the answers. So if at all मेरी आवाज आपको क्लियरली सुनाई दे रही हो तो आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में वर्ड्स तो लिखे ही हैं, राइट? चलिए, कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. In the following sentences, make abstract noun from adjectives by adding the suffix NESS. Now, suffix and prefix, I guess आपने class 3 में पढ़ा है suffix. Suffix is when you add something to the word at the end of the word, and prefix आप जब किसी word के आगे कुछ लगाते हैं, right? चलिए, so first question is, the emperor was smart to give children cooked seeds. What quality of the emperor did we see here? Smart. Smart plus ness क्या बन जाएगा? Smart plus ness will become.
Ma'am, smartness.
What will it be? Yes, smartness. So first answer you have to write smartness. Smart plus ness becomes smartness. So you have to write the answer smartness. Chalo. Written SMARTNESS, smartness. Next, the emperor was fair in choosing Shui as his successor. What quality did we see here? He was fair. So fair plus ness will become
Fairness.
fairness. Yes, जो काम सही होता है, जो सही ढंग से करते हैं. There is another meaning of fairness, that is, अगर आप बहुत fair हो, अगर आप बहुत white हो, then also it is known as fairness, right? You might have seen the advertise of Fair and Lovely.
Yes, ma'am, I see.
Yes, so that is also one kind of fairness. Here fairness means कुछ सही काम करना, to be fair. चलो, third one. Shui was fearless in telling the emperor the truth. What quality did Shui show here? Fearless. Fearlessness. Fear, F-E-A-R. Fear, L-E-S-S. Less. उसके साथ आपको ऐड करना है N-E-S-S. Fearlessness. Yes, खुशी, right. Fearlessness. जो किसी चीज से डरता नहीं है. Next, last one. The children were happy to show their flowers to the emperor. What emotion did the children show here? Happiness. Yes. Please see to the spelling. Happiness का spelling H-A-P-P-I-N-E-S-S. Yes, Satya has given the right answer. H-A-P-P-I-N.
उसका वीडियो सेंड करना है या फिर फोटो?
फोटोज बच्चा. चलो, this much done.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, type in the chat box if you have completed. Yes. Okay. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Good. Chaliye, come to the last exercise for today. Last CW. Page number 17. Write today's date on page number 17 again. Done? Chaliye. Now, summary writing. This is about the story that we had learned in this, right? तो ये क्या है? आपको short story इसमें से summary लिखनी है story की. Now, I want Khushi. Please read out the first one. Characters वाला जो portion है, please read that. Khushi, can you unmute yourself and read it? Wait, I'll unmute you from here. Khushi? Can you hear me, bacha? Khushi? Okay. Harshil, can you unmute yourself? Harshil?
Yes.
Chalo. Read page number 17, first one.
These are the people, animal, or the things that part in the story. That one?
Yes. The story is about. Can you tell me story किसके बारे में है? Story is about.
Ma'am, a young boy.
Yes. The story is about a young boy.
Ma'am, I cannot see your screen.
You cannot see my screen?
Ma'am, I can see, but writing is blur. Ma'am, I
Okay. You tell me, ये story किसके बारे में है? The story is about whom?
Shui.
Yes, so you have to write the story is about Shui. Yes, so you can write that way. The story is about
now I
Shui
can see properly.
Emperor. Okay, can you? But that is fine. आपने जो answer दिया वो सही है. So you can write your answer also, not a problem.
Yes.
right? चलिए.
Name like a young boy who loved plant.
Plants. Yes, you can write that way also.
Ma'am.
Prachi, come to the second one.
Yes, ma'am. This is when and where her story takes place. Her story takes place days ago in this. मैम मेरा पूरा क्लास
Story took place. कहाँ पे हुई थी story? The story is about.
The story is about a young boy.
नहीं, कहाँ हुई थी? Where it took place?
Ma'am. King Palace.
Yes.
मैम आप
The place name.
मेरा राइट साइड कीजिए ना.
Now is it visible?
मैम वो आपने जो ऑस्टिन लॉन ओल्ड चिल्ड्रन या चिल्ड्रन. मैम
Okay, do a thing. Okay. Listen to me.
Ma'am, your screen is not coming.
In this picture in our group, it is already our time to leave. So you have to complete page number 17 की exercise in your homework, right? अभी आप ये exercise कर लेंगे, and your homework is to write word meanings. Have you written word meanings in your question answer book? FMB में आपने word meanings लिखे हैं?
Yes, ma'am. I will write. Ma'am, I will write word meanings in notebook English.
Everyone has written.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Chalo. So then, in that case, you will complete exercise on page number 17, and then come to page number 1313. Usme there is question number 2. Find out synonyms. Synonyms are meanings. You have to tick it and mark it as HW. There are 4 words. उसमें से 2 तो repeat हुए हैं. आपको इस चैप्टर में से इसके सिनोनिम ढूंढने हैं. Synonym are the meanings, right? So question number 2 जहाँ पे लिखा है, take it and mark it as HW, right? चलो, I am sending both the things in the group right now. Till we meet next, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.